So in today's video, I'm actually down here at the Palengke, which is market in Tagalog, and I'm here in Tarlac City, Philippines, and we're gonna go check this market out. So this is gonna be fun. This is one of these large markets, a lot of stuff, really exciting, so let's get going. And this is kind of the outlook right here. You see all the traffic? This is the outer area of it right here. And we're gonna go take a walk inside and check it out. We'll go down this way, give you an idea what it looks like. Get the live fish. Yeah. So one of my favorite activities that I like to do is actually go into these live markets here. No matter what country I'm in, and I've been to a lot of them. We'll take a look inside. I get a lot of fresh seafood, obviously.
All right.
This catfish. Is this catfish?
Fish.
Love it. What kind of fish is this?
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Oh yeah.
This one, sir, bangus.
Oh, nice.
Bangus. You know the bangus, sir?
Nice.
Nice. This one is very maganda, oh. This is pangalan. This is very maganda. This is very cute.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, great, yeah. Oh, nice. Good shots here in the Palengke,
Hi sir,
which is a live market. Yes, sir.
Lanzones.
What's this? Oh, lanzones. Oh, I love lanzoni.
Do you want?
Not yet, not yet. I'll come back maybe. Thank you.
Miss, sir.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, great.
I'm fine.
That's a lot of pork, right? Yeah.
Tiempo.
That's kind of a shot of it right down the middle. And they got a mixer. This is mainly a wet market.
Nagbo-vlog si sir. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, fine.
That's a lot of meat. That is a lot of meat. Was that pork?
Yes.
Oh, lots of stuff. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
That's a lot of pork. Wow. Oh, yes, yes. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, how are you? That is really nice, nice. More. So this is really cool being in here in the Palengke market here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And it's really a joy to come here. I just love these markets. Thank you, thank you. Salamat.
malabo. Ito mo, oh. Bago akong skills ganito, hindi ko yung ganito ako
Look at all this fresh chicken. Fresh chicken here at the Palenque. How are you guys doing? You good? Yeah?
That's good. That's good, my friend.
Yeah.
Bueno. Everybody.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, nice. That is fresh tilapia. Catfish right here. Fresh tilapia. That. Big catfish. That is fresh catfish. I love catfish. Oh,
Ano na, boss na? Doblang ko na lang.
Ay,
Ay, palinis lang.
go round. Oh. Hello, sir. This is kind of an overview of it right here, and there's a lot of stalls. How you doing? YouTuber. YouTuber. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Very, very fresh. Very. On here, more and more. Hello.
Naka-America ka niyan, bro.
Tilapia po.
Hello. How are you? Oh, I'm.
Just shrimp.
I know. I love.
Lager?
Yes, I am.
Lager?
Yes, I am. Look at that
Like
fresh
this?
shrimp. Oh, I love that. How much per kilo?
400.
400 per kilo. Okay.
370.
I know. I know. Hey, how you doing?
Hey!
Vlogger. Yes.
Please shout out.
Traveling Frogman.
Shout out my page. Shout out there.
Okay. More fresh fish. How you doing, man? A lot of fish, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. What kind of fish is that?
Boneless.
Boneless?
Yes.
That looks good. What do you do? How do you cook it?
Ready to eat, sir.
Oh, yeah, looks nice. Well, that's barbecue. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah. YouTuber. All right, all right. I'm a YouTuber, so YouTuber. Oh yeah, down. That's a lot of different types of beef, isn't it? What kind of? All together?
Papaitan.
Pataita?
Papaitan.
Ah, okay.
They cook in the Philippines.
Oh, nice, nice. That look.
Filipino dish.
I love Filipino dishes. Looking right there.
Pork skinless.
Pork skinless?
Yeah.
So what they're doing here is actually
Longanisa.
longanisa?
Longanisa.
Okay. So what he's actually doing is making longanisa, which is a really, really good. It's good for breakfast. Look at him do that. Look how fast he's getting that prepared. And there it is right there in the big bowl. And he's packaging them together. So what he's doing, puts them in the bag, ties them up. So we just kind of checked out the, that was kind of the wet market of the Palenque. Now we're going to go in the fruit section here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And this is really cool. I got my friend Kuya Bert right here. Oh, yeah. So this is the other section.
Yeah, that's what.
So if you want fresh fruit and vegetable, this is the side to go on. So the other side of the market. This is probably the largest market here in Tarlac City. And you can see, look at all the different types of vegetable. Look at that right there. Nice. Look at all these eggs. We're going kind of in the inner area. And look at this. Look at all the eggs. This is an overview right here. Mangoes. 80 pesos a kilo here. These eggs. How you doing? How much for a whole tray of eggs?
This one?
Yeah.
270.
How much?
270.
So walk down this way on the Palenque, and there's a lot to see, believe me. 190 per tray. Yeah. 210 per tray. So it's different price. This is more of the dry goods section. So if you want the, you know, the dry goods like obviously oils and spices, this is where you're gonna come. City Philippines. And look at this. You got fresh fruits and veggies on one side, you got eggs on the other. Look at all these bananas. So adventures at the Palenque here in Tarlac City, Philippines, and this has been a really joy to come down here and see this market, which is probably the largest one here in Tarlac. And we're going to go inside some other areas of it over here and check this out. Hello. Going inside. We have covered a lot of this Palenque, which again is Tagalog for market. Yes, sir. Look at this. More. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh, great, great.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Pero sa palengke natin kahit na marumi.
Vlogger. Yes. Vlogger, yes.
Pag marumi yung palengke ng Tarlac.
Look at this. All types. More.
Shout out in the Philippines City.
I will. I will. Thank you. Rambutan. I love rambutan. Yes. Oh, not yet. Not yet. That is fresh coconut. I just had some of that today and it's really good.
Hey.
And I love these tricycles. And I love bananas. Look at all these bananas all around. So right now we are probably toward the end of it here, but this is really special to be at this palenque. And let's go check some of this. Oh, no thank you. Look at these Lansoni. That's a Lansoni?
200, sir.
200 per kilo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's 200 pesos per kilo. Ah. Oh, nice. So right here, actually in Thailand, they call it Long Kong, which they have the Thai name. What I noticed, and in the Philippines they call it Lansoni, and it's a really good fruit. And right now it's going for about 200 pesos per kilo. A little bit heavy on the price, but very good. Look at this, more delicious fruits and vegetables. Nice.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Vlogger.
Vlogger.
Right here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And just look at all these bananas. I mean,
Hello, my friend.
hello, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Central Luzon, Philippines.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah. And this is a really cool market to visit, and I'm glad I came and did this adventure here.
Right there.
Look at those. I love those jeepneys. So this is really exciting today, being here at the Palenque here in Tarlac City, Philippines. You know, if you like this type of content, you know, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of countries. I love adventures, and I love sharing my adventures with anybody that wants to subscribe. And so this is the end of this video right here of the Palenque here in Tarlac City, Philippines. And I thought I'd end it where I actually started here. And it's really been an adventure exploring this wet market, dry market, fruit market. And it's probably the largest market here in Tarlac City. And this is the lasting shot of it. And I hope to see you in my next video.